Introducing the CIL Insurance Travel Saver Card. This is your special offer to enjoy travel discounts and savings Australia-wide. CIL Insurance, Australia's leading caravan and RV insurer, is delighted to reward all policyholders with the gift of a CIL Travel Saver Card. Your card is easy to use and gives you and your family access to discounted offers and savings on thousands of travel services and entertainment venues Australia-wide. And there are new offers added every month. You can save whether you're away or staying at home. So how do you activate your Travel Saver Card? Simply visit cil.aussietravelsaver.com.au. Then enter your card number and details. Opt in to receive the latest CIL Travel Saver offers and news, and accept the standard terms and conditions. And now you're ready to see how you could save. Just note that your card won't be valid and can't be used until it is activated. So how do you use your Travel Saver Card? You can view your full range of offers online. Use the search function on the offers page to filter thousands of travel savings by category, location or keyword. Offers are either redeemed by booking online via the CIL Travel Saver website or by presenting your card to the service provider. It's that easy. What are your Travel Saver offers? You have literally thousands to choose from. And remember, you can use your card all year round, whether you're travelling or between trips. So start saving today with offers like a 5% saving on Woolworths Wish e-gift cards that can be redeemed at participating Caltex Woolworths fuel outlets, Woolworths supermarkets, Big W, Dan Murphy's, BWS and Salamasters. And save on entertainment too. Up to 30% off Hoyt Cine vouchers and discounted entry to popular attractions in Australia at theme parks like Wet n Wild, Sea Life, Wildlife, Warner Brothers Movie World, SeaWorld and Australia Zoo. There are caravan park savings as well. You can save up to 15% on site rentals. Choose from over 100 caravan and holiday parks around Australia, including popular chains like Discovery Parks, who offer a 10% discount up to a maximum of $50 per stay. You'll find a full list of caravan park savings on our website. And we haven't forgotten those all-important caravan accessories. You'll save 12.5% on the Safety Tyre Monitoring System, allowing you to extend tyre life, reduce driving risks and improve fuel efficiency. Install an Alco electronic stability control device to your van and get a $50 cash back and a 10% discount on your next CIL caravan insurance policy. And there are even more amazing accessory offers. Just check online for the latest. Here's a great way to plan your trip too. The CIL Trip Planner does it for you and lets you see where you could save along the way. Just go online. You'll find the CIL Trip Planner at cil.aussietravelsaver.com.au. Now check out the best deals along your actual journey. Simply map the route of your journey, say Newcastle to Hervey Bay, and the planner will do the rest. It'll highlight your specific route, then pin all the locations where you could receive discounts along the way. Easy. You'll know before you go what you can get and where, and that makes planning and saving a whole lot easier. And that's been a quick look at the benefits of using your CIL Travel Saver Card. There are thousands more offers. We're always updating and adding new ones, so keep an eye on the website. And remember to use your card when you're travelling throughout Australia and even between trips and staying at home. It's all part of being a valued CIL insurance policyholder.